doubting coming out today. I was already in bed. I was already watching TV. Let's see how far we get. Let's see where we go. Let's see where we end up. So come along for the ride. So we are going to Point Malate. My water pouch is leaking, so it's cold and I'm running out of water. So how this is, we'll see how this goes. Of my challenge, I literally said to myself, I need to do my video for today. And that's literally what made me get up. So it wasn't my health, it wasn't my whatever. It was literally the consistency of the challenge. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we did not make it to Point Malate because the road was closed due to construction. But thanks for joining me for day 9 of our 30-day challenge. Peace.